Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good day to you. That's depending where you are in the world. We're doing the nighttime devotion from the devotional Maranatha. The title today: Unity and Separation Under the Loud Cry. Isaiah 60 verses 1 and 2 reads, Arise, shine, for the light is come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon thee. For, behold, the darkness shall cover the earth, and gross darkness the people. But the Lord shall arise upon thee, and his glory shall be seen upon thee. As trials thicken around us, both separation and unity will be seen in our ranks. Some who are now ready to take up weapons of warfare will, in times of real peril, make it manifest that they have not built upon the solid rock. They will yield to temptation. Those who have had great light and precious privileges but have not improved them will, under one pretext or another, go out from us. Not having received the love of the truth, they will be taken in the delusions of the enemy. They will give heed to seducing spirits and doctrines of devils, and will depart from the faith. But on the other hand, when the storm of persecution really breaks upon us, the true sheep, many who have strayed from the fold, will come back to follow the great shepherd. The people of God will draw together and present to the enemy a united front. In view of the common peril, strife for supremacy will cease. There'll be no disputing as to who shall be accounted greatest. No one of the true believers will say, I am of Paul, or I am of Apollos, or I am of Cephas. The testimony of one and all will be, I cleave unto the Christ. I rejoice in him as my personal Saviour. As the third angel's message swells into a loud cry, great power and glory will attend its proclamation. The faces of God's people will shine with the light of heaven. Many of the rulers are those whom Satan controls, but God has his agents even among the rulers, and some of them will yet be converted to the truth. A few of God's agents will have power to bear down a great mass of evil. Thus the work will go on until the third message has done its work. And at the loud cry of the third angel, these agents will have an opportunity to receive the truth, and some of them will be converted and endure with the saints through the time of trouble. That title again: Unity and Separation Under the Loud Cry. So this is basically continuing from yesterday, where it's saying those who will fall away from the church and those who will come into the church. But the nice thing here, or the good thing here, is that where it says Satan controls all those rulers, it also says God has his agents there too. So they will be able to suppress some of that evil until such a time that all the work for God has been done. And then they too, for the work they do, will be converted, and they too will see heaven. But the trials will come, persecution will come, separation will come. Even sometimes those closest to you will be willing to give you up because they're not converted. They are not following the truth or living the truth. We won't know until that time comes. And it will be literally, as the saying says, every man for himself, but not himself, but for Christ. Only standing on Christ, on his word, on his will for our lives, will we know for sure where we will end up.